This is a quick example of a positioning game for football. And when I say positioning game, I don't mean position on the field. I mean position in relation to where the ball is and where your player is on the ball. So where you should be in regards to supporting. So first of all, I want to set up a grid. 6 markers represented by the triangles here. We've got first zone and second zone. And in this particular zone, you might have, let's say, 3v3. So you might have 3 players and then 3 other players over here. Okay, and the way the game plays is the coach, who might be standing up here, passes a ball in to the O's. Okay, one player will then go in to try and steal the ball. Okay, so it's a 3v1, and these guys are passing it around. So whoever has the ball, the other 2 have to work on their positioning, hence the name, positioning game. Okay, so once X gets the ball, if they manage to intercept it, their job is to get it back, and then the game shifts to the other side. So these guys are playing, and one of these members comes across. Okay, so it's always a 1v3. Depending on how many numbers you got, you might increase it to 4 and 4. So 4v1, that kind of thing. And then if they're getting very good at it, you might play for 30 seconds 1v3 and then go second player in. Okay, and that goes across. Okay, so there's an example here. So we'll watch these guys. Not the greatest camera view, but you can see here that you got three oranges. The yellow players come in to try and steal it. Broke down a little bit there. But they're moving around, and this player's moving around, but he's stolen it, takes it back, and now it's yellow going, trying to keep the ball off orange. Okay, and these guys are doing a reasonable job of it. Oh, not there. Okay, so they're moving back in. Now you can see here this particular coach is really driving this activity. Okay, stops it, talks about what's going on. Okay, and will explain, ask the questions why this is breaking down. Okay, so these guys are playing again. So the yellow's got it. Alright, see this player over here just moved into position, but unfortunately it broke down. Okay, so this guy here is fairly stationary. He's not doing a lot. So we want to try and get players out of that habit. Okay, so that's one example. One example of how we can do this. Now, in terms of how you're going to make that work for a squad, so let's say we're 3v3, that's 6 players, we've got a squad of 12. Have another squad happening here. Okay, so coach can situate himself here and watch both games. Okay, but you've got 2 things going. You can provide feedback to the whole team. List grip balls there. You can just pass them in if they get lost. Okay, so that's example 1 of a positioning game.